Good morning, children. Last class I informed that I will give UT, no, but now I am not going to UT. Today I am going to start with SA1 revision, children. So take revision note. The SA1 revision is there, no? In that note only you want to write SA1 revision. First I will give portions, pattern. After that I am going to give SA1 revision. Now start writing, children. Take where you written, no, FA1 revision. In that note only you want to write SA1 revision. Now portions I am giving SA1 portions for SA1. Therefore, July, August, September worksheet. July, August, September worksheet and classwork. Classwork and revision. Children, for SA1, you want to practice July, August, September worksheet, classwork. In classwork, July portions, August portions, September portions is there, no children? Classwork and revision. Now I am going to give revision also. You that you want to practice this for SA1. Take long size note. Revision note is there, no children? Revision note. Write first portions for SA1. I am giving portions for SA1. You want to refer July, August, September worksheet, classwork and revision. Exam pattern. SA1. First I will give exam pattern. Now it will be the exam pattern. First main will be fill in the blanks, children. First main, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Sorry, children. First main, write in words. Write in words. Refer July, August worksheet. July, August worksheet. See, children, write in words. You want to refer in July, August worksheet. Second main will be pick the correct answer. Refer September worksheet. Third one main, addition and subtraction. Addition and subtraction of one digit number. To a 3-digit number. Refer September worksheet. This means no children, addition and subtraction. Addition you want to count forward. For subtraction you want to count backward. Fourth main will be find the missing number. Find the missing number to reach the center. To reach the center, refer September worksheet. First main write in words, refer July, August worksheet. Tick the correct answer, September worksheet. Addition and subtraction of one digit number to three-digit number, refer September worksheet. Fourth main, find the missing number to reach the center, refer September worksheet. Children. Now, shall I rub this? Total 10 mains will be there, children. You want to write? Now, fourth main over now. Fifth main. Arrange the numbers. Arrange the numbers in ascending and descending order. Therefore, classwork. August portion. Addition. Refer classwork. September portion. Sixth main. Now, seventh main. Subtraction. Subtraction, refer September worksheet. Eighth main. Learn tables. Two to 10. Ninth main. Draw the beads. To show the number. To show the number, record last August question. This question, 10th main statement sums. Therefore, September worksheet. See children, already first I gave portions, no? Portions you want to practice July, August, September worksheet and classwork and revision. Revision and now I will give. Now exam pattern. Exam pattern will be like this children. First one will be write in words. You want to refer August worksheet. Tick the correct answer. Refer September worksheet. Addition and subtraction of one digit number to a three-digit number. Refer September worksheet. Find the missing number to reach the center. Refer September worksheet. Or arrange the numbers in ascending and descending order. Refer classwork. This main you want to refer in classwork in August portions, children. Addition, refer classwork, September portion. Subtraction, refer September worksheet. Tables 2 to 10 you want to practice. Any two tables I'll give children. Draw the beads to show the number. Refer classwork. August portion you want to refer. Draw the beads to show the number. Statement sims, September worksheet. Now I am going to start revision children. Start writing revision neatly. You want to start each main you want to write neatly. Shall I rub children? 2 minutes I'll give. Now start writing neatly, children. Now I am going to give essay 1 revision. Essay 1 revision. First main. What is the first main, children? Write in words. You want to write in words. Refer August, July, August worksheet. First main, write in words. Revision children, write neatly. Each main you want to write neatly. See, first one, 635. Leave one line and write neatly. 801. 436. Fourth one, 121. For this, you want to write the number names. Number names means you want to write in the words. See, 1 stands for 3 digits is there. 635. You want to write 606 spelling SIX 6. 100 HUNDRED 635 EHIRTY 35 FIVE 35 635. Second one, see the second one, 801 801 800 and 1 801. Third one, 436 436. Now 121. 121. See, write in words. First main, write in words. Write neatly without spelling mistake. You want to write. I'll give 2 minutes. Next main. Leave 2 lines for next main. Tick the correct answer. Next main, tick the correct answer. September worksheet. Children of China first main. Pick the second main. Pick the correct answer. First one, which number is 6 more than 206? Option will be there, children. You want to tick for correct option. 261, B1, 262, C1, 266, for D1, 212. For this question, which number is 6 more than 206? 3 plus 206 plus 6, you will get 212. You want to tick for 212. Second one, 807. 8added to 63, 63 can be written as options 870, 807, 708, B1, 8007. See children, 807 added to 63. If 807 added to 63, what you will get? 870. You want to tick for 870. Third one. Which of the following is a true statement? Which of the following is a true statement? Which of the following is a true statement? First one, A, 62, $165. B1, 165, 174. C1, 245, 174. B1, 174, 245. See this children, which of the following is a true statement? See the sign here, which one correct? 62 or 165, which side will be there? This side, no children. You check it, which one correct? This one is correct. So Option C is the correct answer for you want to tick for C. Now first and second over children, shall I rub? Fourth one. Now 481 plus 231. Option A 629, 712, C1 492, D1 none of this. See, if we had base it's 481 plus 231, if you had, you will get 712. So 712, B is the correct answer, children. Now second one, pick the correct answer over. Now addition and subtraction of one digit number to a three-digit number, worksheet main. Third main, go to fresh page and write neatly, children. First and second main over now. You want to write neatly. Third main. Third main. Array addition and subtraction. Addition and subtraction. Addition and subtraction of one digit number. To a three-digit number. First one. This main will be in September worksheet. You take September worksheet, children. See addition. 630 plus 4. After 630 are after 630 are. How many works will be there, children? 4 works. Six 30 plus 4 equal to dash. Now after number 630 after 631, 632, 633, 634. Last box where you written on line last one, that answer will be right here 634. First one over, children. Second one. Second one. See, when you are doing this unknown, children, first you want to see the sign, plus sign. Plus sign means you want to count forward. Minus sign, if minus sign is there, you want to count backward. Now 235, 287. 287 plus 5. See the sign, children? Which sign is the plus sign? No. So plus sign means after number. After 287 are, how many boxes will be there, children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After 287, 288, 289, 290, 291, 292. So 287 plus 5 equal to, if we had these both, you will get 292. Now shall I write first one? See, in main one, addition and subtraction both I written notes. So third one, here subtraction I will do. (387) minus 5. See the sign, children. What is the sign here? Minus sign. So before 387 or before 387, 386, 387, 5, 384, 383, 382. So 387 minus 5 equal to answer. Some answer is 382. The fourth one, 440 minus 4. See the sign? Minus. Here plus. Plus means you want to count after number. Minus means you want to count before number. Before 440 are. How many boxes? There 4 boxes there. 440 before 439, 438, 437, 436. So be 440 minus 4, 436. Difference, children. 440 minus 4, 436. Now we finished the third main also. Now fourth main. Write down neatly, children. I'll give 2 minutes. We'll go to fourth main. The fourth main is find the missing number to reach the center. Fourth main, find the missing number to reach the center. This is the center. See, this main will be in September worksheet, children. Each main you want to write neatly because this is revision. For essay 1 revision, I am writing, no, children. 30. See the sign, children, plus sign. Plus sign means you want to count forward. See, here 18 is there. How much you want to add for 30 to reach the 30, children? If you had 18 means you want to add 12. Here 18 means if you had 12, you will reach 30. 8 plus 2, 10. 0, 1, 1, 1, 3. 30. Like this. 29. If you had 1, you will reach 30. 20 is here. How much you want to add? 10. If you add 10, you will get 30. Here 25 is there. How much you want to add? 5. 5 you want to add. You will reach 30. For 22, you will add 8. You will reach 30. Understood, children? Like this only minus. Now minus means subtraction. We will do one. 20. 39. 27. See, you want to reach 20, children. See the sign, minus sign. Minus sign means you want to take away. In 39, how much you want to take away for 30? For 20, you want to take away 19. If you take away 19, you will reach 20. Here, 27. 27 means you want to take away 7, you will reach 20. In 70, how much you want to take away for 20? 50 you want to take away. For 75, you take away 55. Here 28 means 8 you want to take away 2, you will reach 20. See, one addition we did, one subtraction we did. Now children, see the numbers properly and do it neatly. Now fifth main. Fifth main, finish it neatly. We go to fifth main. Arrange the numbers in ascending and descending order. That's for classwork, August question. Now fifth main, children. Fifth main. Arrange the numbers in ascending and descending order. Arrange the numbers in ascending and descending order. Ascending and descending order. First one, ascending order. Ascending order means first we will do ascending order, children. First one, 162, 178, 173, 124. Ascending order means small to big. Ascending, AO. Written, no? See the hundreds place only 1, 1, 1, all hundreds places same. Now see the tens place. Here 6, here 7, here 7, here 2. Which one small number, children? 2 is the small number. So first we will write 124. We finish this number now. In this number you want to see which one small. 6 is the small number, 162. Here tens place both are same. 7, 7. Now we will go to ones place. 8 is big or 3 is big? Sorry, 8 is big or 3 is small? Which one in this number? Which one small? 3 is the small. So first we will write 173. After that 178. Ascending order means small to big you want to write, children. Second one, 508, 580, 518, 581. Ascending order only I am doing now. Ascending order no. Which one small you want to check? See the hundreds place 5, 5, 5, 5. See the tens place 0, 8, 1, 8. Which one small number? 0. So first you write 508. Leave this number. See in these three numbers which one small. Here see the tens place 8, 1, 8. 1 is a small number, no children? 518. Here, this number also over. Here also 8. Here also 8. If both the numbers same, we will go to tens place. Here 0, here 1. Which one small? 580 is the small of 581. Now we will go to descending order. Descending order. 754, 784, 731, 792. Descending order. See the big number. See the hundreds place children. Hundreds place here 7, 7, 7, 7. See the tens place now 5, 8, 3, 9. Which one big number? 792 is the big number. Now leave this number. See these three number. Which one bigger? 784. After that 754. 731. Descending order is big to small. Fourth one. 817. 830. 812, 843. See the big number, children. See the hundreds place. In hundreds place 8 is there. So now we will go to tens place. 1, 3, 1, 4. Which one big number? 843. Here we finish this number. In this number 3 is the big number. 830. Here tens place. Both the numbers 1, 1 is there. Same number. So now we will go to tens number. Ones number. Here 7. Here 2. Which one bigger? 817. After that 812. Ascending order and descending order we finish, children. Next class I will give another 5 minutes is there. Next class. Close your revision note, children. Next class I will give another 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Now today we finished 5 minutes, no children. Practice this. Next class I will give 5 minutes that you want to practice for essay 1. Thank you, children.